Once again, the Team UB by Ben Edmonds and Adam Bunting have brought you the latest 5.1.1 Lollipop update for the following devices, and if you have any of them, please grab your copy from the links given below. We would be going through the main features of this ROM one by one, and so keep watching. There is no major change on the notification bar, but we do have the options like we can see the number of Wi-Fi devices available nearby, and we can also see the number of Bluetooth devices in the notification bar itself. So here we are in the settings menu. We go to the sound option, and there we have the option for volume steps, where you can select various increment for the specific volumes, and we also have the launch music app. So whenever you plug in the headset, the selected music app will be launched. The other thing is advanced option, in which you can turn off the shutter sound. Also there is an option for the safe headset volume. So now we go back to the settings menu, and here we go to the display and light, where we have the live display option. The other thing is we do have the ambient display, and we have the expanded desktop mode, for which you can select individual applications in which you want the expanded desktop. We also have the daydream. We also have the smart cover option, in which it says that turn on the screen when the lid opens and turn off when the lid closes. In the lock screen option, we have one thing different, is display music visualizer, that displays the visualizer when the lock screen is on during the playback of the music. Navigation bar buttons, so I am a fan of using it. We also do have the left-handed mode for the lefties. We can change the navigation bar height, we can change the button tint. We also have the buttons and layout of the navigation bar. We do have the navigation rings, and similarly tap to sleep on the status bar. We do have the same option for tap to sleep on the navigation bar. Now this is the main section for the personalization. You can customize with no limits, and you will fall in love with this ROM. So here we do have the status bar, and you can select on which side you like to display the clock. I would like the center one. We have the date to be shown or hidden. We have the date format. We can use the carrier label. We can change the battery status. We can show the percentage, and so in the notification drawer, we do have the options like number of tiles that is to be displayed on the notification drawer, number of tiles per row, and the color for the tiles. Now we go to the advanced settings in the personalization menu, and we have the various features of this ROM. So this is the app bar, which is quite similar to the previous build 5.0, and here we have the app bar. You can jump from one app to another app just as multitasking, but not yet multi-window. So also we have the head-ups notification. You all are familiar with it. We have the LCD density, which can be set directly from this option, and you don't have to go to the system props to change it. And we have gesture anywhere. When you turn it on, you have the gesture area. When you trigger the area, I have done for T, which will open the trigger. You can change, you can add number of gestures for particular applications. In the lock screen options, we can change the corner options, corner shortcuts like the call button, the camera button, and the lock screen. In the recent panel, we have a new option which shows the available RAM, the free RAM. So here we go. This bar shows the available free RAM. In the screen and animations, you can select various animations for particular application. So this is an example of the heads up. So whenever a call comes in the background, it would not interrupt the whole screen. Let me pick up the call. And lastly, when we go in the about phone section, we have the system updates, where the developers have implemented the Open Delta, which will download only the patch files and not the whole update. It would be useful for ones who are using the cellular data. I hope you will enjoy this ROM, and definitely check out this ROM for sure.